Hey everyone, good evening. I wanted to jump on here. We had several people this week after our stocking cap tutorial come on and ask how we made this little snowman that went along with it. So I wanted to jump on here tonight and show you guys how to make this snowman. Super simple, inexpensive project, and you can use stuff that you already have around the house, or this sweater I picked up at Goodwill. Every Thursday, actually Monday and Thursday. So tomorrow they have sales at Goodwill, and different color tags are different color prices on their sweaters. So this sweater, it's an adorable sweater. I got it for 99 cents. And all we did to make this snowman was we just cut off the sleeve. Go ahead and just cut it off almost all the way to the top, but not quite. You won't need too much because we're not going to make too big of a snowman tonight. So go ahead and just cut your sweater sleeve off like that. You can use any sweater for this. And then you'll take your jute and cut a piece of jute. Turn your sweater sleeve inside out like this, and then take the bottom where we cut it off, where we cut the sweater sleeve off, go ahead and take the bottom and just wrap the jute around it, and we're just going to tie it in a knot. You can hot glue it or sew it if you're a seamstress. I just like to take the easy route on stuff, so just go ahead and tie that together with some jute. You can cut off the excess or not. We're going to fill it with rice, so it's not too big of a deal. So tie the bottom and then turn it back right side out, just like this, and that'll give us a nice kind of a bag to hold all of our rice. So you can take any kind of rice. We have Amish around here, and so we can find outdated rice or different food stuff. So I just got some brown rice, and we're gonna go ahead and just fill up our sleeve with the rice. I don't think I have quite enough in here to fill this up, so I also brought some minute rice so we can fill it up with that too and get it all the way full. It's about enough to make the bottom full, but we're going to add a little more so we can have a head added to it also. We'll make this guy just a little bit smaller, so that should be about right. You can always take it back apart if you don't tie this top too tight, and add some more to make it bigger if you'd like to. So go ahead and just cut off another piece of jute, and we'll tie that on the top. And then we'll decide, let's make them about that big. We want the bottom to be a little bit bigger than the top. So we'll stop right about there. We'll cut one more piece of jute. String, yarn, anything you've got laying around to tie this off will work just fine. So go ahead and just get that separated about how you like it, and tie it through the center there. And then for his scarf, you could wrap some of this yarn around anything, but for me, I just wanted to keep it super simple, so I just took some string, wrapped it around a little bit so we'd have a few pieces hanging down. And then I just tied that in a knot. So that's all there was to it on his scarf. And then we did the video the other day where we made the hat for him. I used a larger, this is a tape roll that we just covered. Some of the smaller ones, if you want to use a small piece of sweater, you could always hot glue the sleeve in half and make it a little bit smaller sleeve. And then you can use the cardboard roll that we made the other day and put a stocking cap on with that. Or you just, the reason on this one, I'll show you on this one, I liked how the sweater had that little bit of an edge to it, so I just rolled that up and set the stocking cap right on there. But if you don't want that edge on there, you can just cover the whole thing with it. Like that, and just get a full stocking cap. And then for the eyes, Walmart has these cute little, they're just felt pads that have a sticky back. And we just go ahead and put those on for the eyes and for the mouth. And then I had trouble finding a color felt that I liked for the nose. I had this darker red and I had this kind of peachy color, and I didn't love either one of them. So I just cut out a nose and just be random. Carrots are different sizes and different shapes, so don't worry too much about it. If you don't like it, you can always cut another piece of felt out. There's 33 cents for the entire piece of felt, so really you're only just using a small corner of it for this. And then I took a chalk paint. There's an orange chalk paint that I got at Walmart and just painted that felt so I got a nice orange color on the nose. And then I just hot glued the nose on there. So that's all there is to it, guys. Super simple snowman, but we had lots of people ask how to make that to go with our hats, and I thought I'd jump on and share that with you guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of the weekend and a great week. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.